To start, click Select Customer to add customer, search any customer name, and then click Select. Next, to add new line, header, or subtotal, just right-click column B, starting from row 21. To add products, double-click Description area to open Product Search form. Then, select from Filter to filter the products or services. Then, search any details on the item code. Then add quantity and click Add button. Follow the same steps to add new products or services. Next, to calculate the total amount, just double-click the total cell and select the total amount values. Once done, you can now select on Terms and Conditions portion, Payment Terms, Delivery Terms, or Warranty options. You can also modify numbering and item lines. To print this file, click the Save button, select desired folder and wait for the file to be printed.